Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the shipping not available for selected address issue on Shopify in 2025. This tutorial is for anyone who's had customers say they can't check out because their location isn't supported. And by the end, you'll have a working, globally friendly shipping setup so your products can reach shoppers all around the world. Let's dive right in. Start by opening up your Shopify admin. First, we're heading to the core of your store's delivery settings. At the lower left of your dashboard, you'll see Settings. Click into that. From there, you'll want to look for the Shipping and Delivery option. It might take a moment to load, so don't panic if things hang for a second. Now, here's where the magic starts. We're going to create a custom shipping profile. Think of a shipping profile like a special set of ground rules for your products. It controls which products ship where and exactly how. So go ahead and click Create Custom Profile. This is your gateway for fixing those annoying cases where Shopify won't offer shipping to a specific address. Give your new profile a clear, easy-to-remember name. I always recommend International Shipping. This makes it crystal clear what you're doing whenever you glance back here in the future. Now, we need to tell Shopify which products can ship internationally. Under your new profile, you'll see the option to Add Products. Click on it and choose the products you want to make available for buyers around the globe. If you want all your items to be shippable worldwide, perfect. Just select them all. If you've got special items, pick the ones that apply. Don't worry if you're not certain. You can always come back and tweak this list later. Next, you'll set up your shipping zone. In Shopify, a zone is basically a group of destinations, countries, regions, or continents that all get the same shipping options and prices. Click Add Shipping Zone. Here's the key step. Choose all countries to make sure you're not accidentally shutting out any customers. You'll probably get a long list, but just scroll down and check the Select All box. Name this shipping zone International so there's no confusion down the road. Click Done when you're finished selecting the countries. Don't worry if it takes a second for Shopify to process. It's just assembling your new worldwide reach. With that in place, you'll see a prompt to add a shipping rate. This means setting how much customers will pay for shipping to these international zones. Add your shipping rate here. You can go with a flat fee or create a rate based on order weight or price, depending on how your logistics work. If you're not sure, start simple with a flat rate and adjust as you get feedback from actual shipments. Here's a step that people often miss. Go to Markets in Shopify. This is where you make sure your newly added international profile is actually live and active for your store's markets. Find the international profile and double-check that it's marked as active. If not, activate it. Without this, all your work earlier won't show up for customers. Finally, hit Save to lock in all your changes. That's it. You've opened up your Shopify store to the world, and customers from any country should now be able to check out smoothly. Sometimes these changes can take a few minutes to go live. So if you don't see it working right away, give it a little time. If this tutorial helped you resolve your Shopify shipping woes, please give the video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you've got any questions or ran into any hiccups. I check every comment, and I'm happy to help troubleshoot. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. I've got plenty more guides coming to help your store grow globally. Thanks for watching, and good luck opening your shop to the world.